Okay, so good day everyone. For today, we're going to discuss about, of course, chapter or module number 7, focus on the nature of data. No? In the realm of research, no, the nature of data is diverse and multidimensional, accommodating various forms and sources essential for comprehensive analysis and understanding. Data can be broadly categorized into qualitative and quantitative types. Qualitative data, predominantly descriptive and non-numeric, capture the essence of subjective attitudes, opinions, and behaviors. No, it delves into the and richness of human experiences, relying on methods like interviews, observations, and open-ended surveys to generate a narrative-based insights. Contrarily, quantitative data involves numerical measurements and counts, enabling objective analysis and statistical interpretation. It deals with quantifiable observation, employing methods such as experiment, structured surveys, or sensor data collection. And this numerical form is crucial in measuring, comparing, and statistically evaluating phenomenon, providing a different lens through which to comprehend research question. The distinction between qualitative and quantitative data extends further to primary and secondary data sources. Now, primary data is first-hand, originating from research activities such as experiments, surveys, or direct observation. These forms of data collection involves gathering information directly from the source, offering an exclusive perspective tailored to the research-specific needs. Conversely, secondary data is pre-existing source from already available materials such as publication, databases, or previously conducted studies or researches. Now, it constitutes information that has been collected, processed, and made accessible by others, providing a pool of knowledge that can complement primary research or stand alone for certain types of analysis. Both forms of data play crucial roles in research because qualitative data enriched with narratives and descriptions illuminates the contextual nuances and subjective aspect of the research subject. It enables in-depth understanding of human behaviors, attitude, and experiences, offering insights that quantitative data might overlook. On the other hand, quantitative data being numeric and objective lend itself to statistical analysis, aiding in measurement comparisons and establishing correlations and patterns. Together, the integration of qualitative and quantitative data and research can offer a holistic view, combining the richness of stories and experiences with the precisions of numbers and statistical trends, thereby contributing to a more comprehensive understanding of the subject under investigation. Understanding the nature of data and research is paramount as it shapes the methodological approach and analysis. Researchers often employed a mixed method approach, harnessing the strengths of both qualitative and quantitative data to attain a more robust understanding of the research question. This blend this blend of data types allowed for triangulation where different data sources and methods validate and complement each other, enhancing the rigor and reliability of the research findings. In essence, the nature of data in research is not just about classification, but about leveraging the inherent qualities of each type to enrich the depth and breadth of scholarly inquiry.